Hello, this is Laura with USATuff SeaDek Boat Decking Services. In this short video, I will be sharing information about our SeaDek do-it-yourself boat decking experience. Our process is simple. We ship you a USATuff template kit that includes rolled up Mylar and instructions on how to create your template. You simply lay down the Mylar onto the area where you'd like to install your SeaDek. Using a Sharpie pen, you'll trace the shapes of each of the areas to create your own templates. After making some notations on the top of the Mylar, you'll snap a few pictures and then send the Mylar back to USATuff. From there, our team will digitize your drawings and place those into our CAD system where our expert CNC operators will prepare a digital copy of your template. After that, we will create PaperFit templates that we will ship back to you to confirm a perfect fit before we move to the final design and fabrication of your decking. The process is easy, and our team is with you every step of the way. To learn more, contact us at USATuff.com. We look forward to the opportunity to earn your business and to help you transform your boat with USATuff SeaDek.